The Red Cross is definitely one of the biggest and most known organizations that is usually at the forefront of disasters. They, alongside community-based organizations, work to secure facilities for shelters. They provide meals, snacks, water, medical and health services, so like first aid, prescriptions, vision aids for someone maybe if they lost their glasses or contacts during the evacuation. They provide medical supplies. They help reconnect loved ones with their families if they were maybe separated at one point or another. They point individuals to specific resources that are out in the community that would be beneficial to them. They provide a lot of information about available resources again and shelters. If you go on their website, if you just need to put in your zip code or your area, and it would show you a pop-up of different shelters and services that are available to you, and you can pick and choose as to what you could benefit from. It also provides mental and emotional support and spiritual care services. So you'll find that information on their website.